I'm Barry Hart, and this is a Fuel Genie hydrogen injection kit. It installs with one 10mm wrench and one pair of scissors inside of 30 minutes. Here's how it's done. The first thing we want to do is survey the engine to find out where best to put the hydrogen injector here. In this particular instance, it looks as if we have a spot right here beside the battery where this will fit just perfect. Okay, what we're going to do now is thread the zip tie right through the mounting bracket that comes with the kit. And we're going to put this, thread it through here. What we're trying to do right now is to put this down here just to make sure that this end of the zip tie is easily accessible when we bring the other cable around. What you want to do here is we want to feed this around, make sure that there's nothing between the battery and the zip tie, because there is going to be some pressure on this. Now we bring the zip tie all around, thread it underneath here, and now we can bring the mounting bracket back over to the front, insert the zip ties together, a little tension on them there, and now we pull it tight. And there is the mounting bracket for the Fuel Genie hydrogen injection system. The next step, we're going to mount the reservoir to the bracket system that's attached to the battery here. That's fairly easily done. What we do is we take this zip tie that's included with the kit, we run it behind the bracket that we have. We then take the reservoir and we zip tie the reservoir just like this to the bracket. There you go. That's where the system will mount. The next thing we're going to do is take a pair of scissors and cut off about 2 inches of hose that's included with the kit. Just like that. Okay, next we have to attach this to the PCV valve hose, and this is the PCV valve hose right here. So we're going to pull this off of the PCV valve input, and here's our piece of 2-inch hose that we did. We're just going to put this piece of hose right onto the port where this hose came from. Now we're going to insert into the hose the T, this T right here that's included with the kit, and that we're going to put on right here. Now we're going to put the PCV valve hose onto the other end of that, and that is our connection for that. Now we take the hose that's also included in the kit and we attach it to the bottom of the T. We're going to run this hose around here so that we can hide it, make it look nice cosmetically. And we're going to run this right over to the reservoir itself. And now the system is hooked up to vacuum. Okay, next we want to attach the connecting wires to the battery. That's very simply done. We just uncoil wires that are included in your kit. So the first thing we're going to do is take our 10mm wrench and we are going to loosen the battery terminal here. This is the positive, so we're going to put the positive right here. Connections to the battery are very important. This particular system here is connected to the battery all the time because all the safety mechanisms and the switches that turn it on and off are sitting underneath the cap here. In fact, this system is a true hydrogen on demand system in that it does not turn on at all unless the engine is running, and we'll see that a little later on. So next we cover this one up and we go on to the negative terminal, which is right here. What we're going to do now is just run the wires down behind here, make it look cosmetically nice. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to insert this into the Fuel Genie system here. Look for the silver stripes on both systems right there. And that's all it needs to be connected to the Fuel Genie right there as far as the power goes. Okay, all we have to do now is fill it full of water and let her roar. So here we go. This is the fill spout, comes complete with the system here. We're going to add the electrolyte inside here. This happens to be sodium hydroxide along with regular old distilled water. We mix it together in a gallon of water, and I believe we're about full there. Now we're going to put the cap on. Now we're going to start the engine and see if everything works. Notice down here on the very bottom, you see all those small bubbles? That's hydrogen in your engine. Okay, we're back on the Courtney Campbell. We installed a fuel genie system in the Camry here, so we're going to check out the mileage. 44.9, 45, 44.9, 42, 43, a significant increase. Visit our website, www.fuelgeniesystems.com, for a free quote or to find out the location of a distributor near you.